ngayon nagbabiyahe kami ng masamaang panahon. Actually, hindi pa dapat na kami uuwi ng city dahil I still have my day off until Wednesday. Pero dahil sa masamang panahon, nagbabalik ang snow and we have already our summer tires. And today is, we think that today is the best way to travel back to city. So kahit masama yung weather, although ano siya, hindi siya masyadong madulas. Kasi sa madulas, delikado yung summer tires pag mag minus plus tapos mag negative siya. Yung mag negative weather siya, mag snow tapos madulas yung gulong talaga. So kaya ngayon kami nagbiyahe kasi ano siya, plus weather, so hindi madulas kahit naka summer tires lang kami. So ayun guys, napadali yung balik ko sa city kahit until Wednesday pa yung off ko. But anyway, andito na kami. Tingnan nyo yung daan, maulan, madilim. It's still 10:20 in the morning. So yun lang, nagbabiyahe kami sa madulas sa pangit na weather. Pero although ano siya, mas mainam na rin to kaysa bukas at saka sa Miyerkules na weather. Kasi bukas at saka sa Miyerkules, it's really bad kasi nga mag snow siya, tapos madulas yung daan, maging icy yung road. So sa makikita nyo ngayon, yung daan ngayon is ano siya, hindi siya icy kasi umuulan nga ng tubig, kaya mas okay siya sa winter tire sa summer tires. So dahan-dahan lang yung biyahe namin dahil syempre hindi natin alam na somewhere on the road is may pala icy. Kaya nakikita nun naman yung paligid, very snowy, nag-snow, pa rin, white pa din siya. Ganito ang namin dito, so kailangan mali talaga namin na nagpalit kami kaagad ng summer tires. Dapat nagpalit kami ng summer tires by May or June. June, summer tires. Yeah. So we still have 292 kilometers to drive. At ang -2 siya. -2 yung temperature. Kaya ngayon ingat na ingat si Mr. nagmamaniho. Yan, may masalubong pang malaki. Ouch. So ngayong drive namin ngayon 330 kilometers. Hindi kami hihinto ng mag CR or mag-lunch. Siguro diretso na lang kami para kasi sa hapon daw mamaya is mag-snow talaga siya. So delikado kasi yung mag-snow, tapos yung may ice at lalim, yun talaga yung pinakamadulas, yun yung pinakadelikado. Tapos yun, yung mag-snow tapos sa ilalim ng snow is may icy, yun yung talaga very dangerous. So lang kami ngayon, maaga kaming umalis after breakfast. So yun nga, may 290 kilometers pa kaming lalakbayin. So nagbaon na kami ng tubig, nagbaon na kami ng pagkain, so para hindi na kami stop over. So bear with me guys, thank you for accompanying my video. We are in the eastern part of Finland as of now. So update guys, andito na kami sa part of Yuba. So pa din, ganun pa rin ang temperature, it's -2. Tapos ano na kami, 251 kilometers ang we will be driving 250 kilometers from now, at this moment. So yun, ano pa rin ng ano, -2 pa din, pero hindi pa rin siya snowy. So thanks God, okay pa rin ang pagdadrive namin. Ulan pa din, sana lang tuloy-tuloy lang na ulan, hindi mag-snow, because as I've said, delikado pag mag-snow, tapos maging icy ang road. So yun lang, we're 3 hours pa, no? We still drive 3 hours, about 3 hours, yeah. Kasi darating kami doon 2:15, so it's still 10:55, so about 3 hours. And as I've said, hindi na kami mag-stop over to eat or to have gas, kasi baka sa hapon mamaya pag mag-stop over pa kami, baka ma-delayed yung biyahe namin, tapos yun lalong sasama yung weather. So yun guys, the update lang, weather update. Ganito ang buhay dito. Kailangan naming tumitingin sa weather forecast palagi para alam namin kung ano yung darating na temperature, ano yung weather condition. So see you later. Update lang tayo. As you can see guys, nag-snow na talaga siya. Nag-snow. Makikita nyo naman sa salamin. So it's snowing now, and we are 0 degrees, and then 120 kilometers, 122. So 1 hour more, 1 hour more, and another lake. Ang lamig, super. And this will be a beautiful day, a beautiful view during summer. It's a beautiful life. It's a beautiful life. We still hope, we still pray that everything will be okay. More snow are coming. As you can notice guys, they're so white now. It's so white now in the surroundings. But anyway, we still have 106 kilometers to drive, so it's more than an hour. So I'll keep you updated when we reach home. More snow coming. Lalong pumapangit ang weather. So bad, but luckily we are now 84 kilometers away. Soon we are arriving. Only 84 kilometers. It's less than an hour. about 45 minutes now. We will arrive 45 minutes from now. About. Ita.
Snow.
Okay, more snow. We're driving now 80 kilometer per hour instead of 120 because there's a big queue of cars in front of us. I think most of them have their summer tires, so that's why everyone is like driving so slow. This is Finland. Lapit na kami sa bahay. 5.3 kilometers. As you can see guys, ang queue sa sasakyan napakataas na. But luckily, mag-exit na kami dito. Tingnan nyo, mga 8 cars. 8 cars ang nauna sa amin na
800 metrin jälkeen aja Erkanemiskaistaan. Sitten käänny oikealle.
8 cars na una sa amin na mga summer tires, kaya hindi talaga nag-overtaken. Yung naka-overtake sila yung may mga winter tires.
Aja Erkanemiskaistaan. Sitten käänny oikealle.
Luckily hindi na kami magdagdag ng queue ng sasakyan kasi mag-i-exit na kami dito. We are 1 kilometer away from home, so darating
400 metrin jälkeen käänny
ayun, there's a
oikealle.
car. Uy, bitsit. Miloin si Ole. There was an accident. So, nawala na rin ang snow. Tumigil ang snow.
Käänny oikealle.
Tumigil ang snow. Nawala ang snow. Tapos parating na kami ng bahay. So, yun lang guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you for my driver. Okay, God bless everyone.